Alright, welcome everybody. If you're watching this, then you are probably participating in the Computing Institute for K through 12 Teachers, also known as CIKT Summer Online Workshop. And this workshop we will be covering Snap over a 2-week long period. So let's get a little familiar with things and yeah, good luck. Alright, so this is the workshop page. Let's figure out how to get here first. So if you go to Google or any search engine you prefer and type in, you can type in let's see, CIKT HPCL, and this first one right here, Computing Institute for K through 12 Teachers. Click on that one. Alright, and so it'll take you on this main page right here, and if you look over here on the left for workshops, we see online workshop. We want to click here. Alright, so first thing we have is the workshop flyer, so let's click on that and see what it looks like. So you might have probably seen this flyer before you signed up for this workshop. This might have been how you found out about it. But so yeah, so nothing here super important really, except for, or if you're in this workshop, you probably already knew all of this. But this stuff is important. So Dr. Jane Liu, she is my advisor. She's the one who has this workshop set up, and you can reach her at computing.workshop@gmail.com. That is her preferred method of contact. Or you can call her at 409-880-7741. Alright, so let's see what we got next. So workshop schedule. So let's take a look at that. Alright, so I'm going to zoom out just a tad so we can see it all. Alright, so this is the workshop, the schedule for the online workshop. It's a total of 23 credit hours. So we see here for our first week, it's 11 hours. That is from July the 15th through the 22nd. And so first week we're going to do the pre-workshop survey. So that survey will be sent to you via the service called SurveyMonkey, and you just need to fill out that, just some information that can help us better help you in the future. Alright, so that'll be mailed to you. You'll have all that information provided to you, so you'll be good. Alright, so our first session, we're actually calling it Session 0. That's just an overview of Snap, which is the program that we are going to be using for this 2-week-long workshop. And all these things have videos to it, and we'll look at those in a minute. So Session 1 is a Snap introduction. That is so the overview of Snap just kind of gives the basics, so you know what it is. The introduction really delves into it and shows you everything it can really do. So Session 2 is inputs. That is something you can use to, like I said, there are videos for all this, but something you can use to input text, numbers, things like that. Session 3 is the subject is conditional branching and Boolean. Both of these sessions should take about 20 minutes. And curriculum development, that's 6 hours. So what curriculum development is you will be, learning how to use Snap. Hopefully these lessons that we have will help you, will help teach you how to better use Snap. And what you will do, excuse me, is develop curriculum that you could use for your classroom using Snap. So if you're a math teacher, you could maybe create a math program or something along those lines and be able to bring it back, use it in your classroom, or at least get the confidence to be able to work with Snap in your classroom. So the second week, it is 12 hours long. It is from July the 22nd till the 29th. So that week, Session 4 has variables. It's a 10-minute long ordeal. Session 5 is a thing called loops. Session 6 is methods. Let me see, this is 10 minutes, this is 15 minutes. Session 7 is arrays and lists, and that will cover all of the, I guess, content that we'd like to try and teach you with Snap. And so then you'll have 8 hours for more curriculum development. And after all of this, we have the curriculum project finalization and submission. So at the end of the workshop, we will have you will show off your curriculum. There's a video that we'll look at a little later. Tells you everything you need to do. So basically, you make a curriculum. It's like a final project. Think of it like that. And you will present it with a PowerPoint. Say how it can be used for your classroom, etc., etc. And then we will have a post-workshop survey. That is like the pre-workshop survey. We will provide you a link to SurveyMonkey, and just fill out some stuff like your experiences you had with the workshop, any suggestions, criticisms, anything like that. Alright, so we see right here, workshop application is open on June 10th. That is today. So then we have the workshop application form. So we are able to have 30 participants this year, and it is a first apply, first served workshop. So if you're not in before 30, then sorry. Alright, so we click on this, and it is a .doc file, so we can use a word processor to open that. Alright, so all this is just, it's a form. Fill it out. Just personal information, first name, last name, etc., etc., etc. And right here it says, to help us better serve you, please complete the survey on the next 2 pages. And this is just, like we said, so we can better help you. So, like, how did you hear about our program? What grade are you teaching? What courses do you teach? Can you suggest any other computing related subjects you'd like to learn during the workshop? So just things that we could improve upon or incorporate into our workshops. Alright, so during this video, we can't see it right now. It has not been added yet. But once the workshop is available, you will have access. You'll find it on this page right here, the online workshop. So it's here on the left, online workshop. You'll get access to this page. So this page is this covers all of the lessons that we're going to try and teach you on that. So this first one right here is the workshop schedule. That is you click on it, we'll see it's the same schedule that we just looked at previously. Just kind of help you keep on track. So the second link is online workshop participant materials.zip. So this is a zip file, and let's open up that and see what's inside of it. Alright, so it says workshop 2015 participant material, and this is just the sessions. So we see we have inputs, conditional branching, variables, loops, methods, list. So if we open up one of these, we have our input assignment. So let's click on that real quick. So all this does is just tell you what or how you need to complete the given assignment. And the assignments will be given. We'll see in just a minute. Alright, so Snap videos on YouTube. So we have lectures on YouTube. Let's click on that. So it's this link right here. It says all online workshop videos on YouTube. So if we click that, it will take us to this YouTube page right here, the Lamar HPCL YouTube page. And so these videos, we tried our best to cover everything you might hopefully need to know. And so yeah, let's just click on one of these real quick. So click Snap Intro. Alright everybody, so for the first video, we're going to show you how to so all these are just access pre-recorded videos that shows you this video is a Snap intro, just kind of introduce Snap and whatnot. And we see we have the lessons. Let me open up Snap real quick. How about that? Some better show you maybe. So yeah, this is how you get to Snap. For instance, you just type in, if we go to Google, and type in Snap with an exclamation point. So just like that. Hit enter. And it will be this one right here, the Snap Build Your Own Blocks. So we click on that, and this is the snap we're looking for. So if we scroll down a little, we'll see Run Snap Now. And this is the actual program. And so if we see right here, let's see, these little tabs right here, we see motion, look, sound, pin, etc., etc. If we click on one of those, it will give us different things right here, different blocks. And all these YouTube videos are just showing you how to use all these blocks. Now if we look at this last video right here, this is called Cam Studio, and so what we need to do is at the end of, if we go to the workshop schedule here, at the end of the workshop for your curriculum project finalization and submission, you will need to use this thing called Cam Studio, and all this video does is just goes over how to use this screen recording program, what to turn in, who to turn into, all that good stuff. Alright, so then we see we have our schedule here. You see we have session 0, session 1, session 2, input, all that. So these are right here. So session 0, Snap Overview. So if we click on that, this is a PDF file. So if this was an in-person or like a workshop that was, not online, we would be teaching using these PowerPoints. But since we're not here, you still get the PowerPoints at least. So this is like a lesson. And the lecture right here, we click on this, it says FLV, and hit this triangle looking thing. It's for play.
Alright, hey everybody.
So we see that
our first
this
session
is the actual lesson. We're going over the PowerPoint,
Snap.
so you're not completely on your own. So you can see the
our
PowerPoint, and we kind of walk you through it, and you can also have the PowerPoint open at the same time. So we see session 1 introduction. Once again, all these PDFs right here are just the PowerPoint presentations, and we have lecture videos that go along with them. Alright, so right here we have Snap Modules Overview, and we see that these right here, the motion controls, looks, sensing, sound, operators, pin variables. If you click on one of those, it opens up a video. Alright, today we are going to go over the Looks tab. We see is over here in the left hand corner. It just once again goes over the videos, or the tabs for Snap. So we have workshop login and import project file. So if we click on that, it's just another video. Alright everybody, today we are going to teach you how to log into Snap and how to open up files. We'll see the files in a minute. And we have a project submission instructions, so use those later. Alright, also we have for your examples and for your assignments, we have these videos right here. And I guess we should probably see how to see the assignment to start with. So on the PowerPoint presentations, we'll have assignments like at the end, and an example and an assignment you need to do. For session 7 lists, this is important. The PDF, the PowerPoints, the example and the assignment has been changed. So it's not updated on these two particular things. They are, however, updated for the example video and the assignment video. So if we click on, let's say, input example right here, FLV.
Okay, we're going to continue on our input
We just show you
we're going to go through
what
our
you need to do
now.
And we walk you through it. So if you ever get stuck, you can watch one of these, the example video or the assignment video, and it'll show you what to do. Alright, so the resources over here all the way on the right, we have zip files. So if we open up one of these, you can save the file, click save file, OK, and then choose somewhere to save it. Or you can open it up. Now, if you're not able to open this up, I suggest using a program called either WinRAR. Both are free, by the way. WinRAR, WINRAR, or a program called 7-Zip. Now, both are free. Let me just show you how to use 7-Zip real quick. So, type in 7-Zip, should be the first one. You can go to the download button right here. If you're on Windows, if you're using a 32-bit operating system, you'd click this one. If you're using a 64-bit, you click this one. So just find your operating system. If you're if you happen to be using Linux, you can use the one down here. So you just click the download link, save the file, save it to where you want, and then run that file. It'll install it, and then you'll be able to open up this zip file. So let's click on it. I'm just going to open with, and we see week 1 session 2 input. And so this first one is an input assignment.doc, so let's click on that, and that just shows you what your assignment is. And we also have your assignment that is completed, your example it's completed, and we also have the incomplete versions of these files. So let me show you how to use these real quick. So if you have Snap open, you would just get this. So if you're going to do the assignment, we have some starting files for you. So if you left click and hold it and drag it right here, and this is covered in the other videos also, we see we have some files that we can use, kind of get the ball rolling for you. And let's just say you're totally stuck. You can use the complete version. So let's click and drag that here. And then the assignment's actually complete, so you can see maybe what step you need to take next. Alright, and that about covers it, I would say. So, yeah, once again, thank you for participating in the workshop. Hope everybody does well. Also, I'm not sure exactly what the times will be, but you can email the instructors, or we will also be online at certain points during the week to be able to help you with any problems you're having, kind of like a live chat type thing. But yeah, so let us know if you're having any problems, any suggestions, anything like that. Hope you have a good workshop, hope you learned something, and